Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do first impressions on the Too Faced Christmas in New York chocolate shop. It comes in a box like that and then it comes like this. And this is so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, see, this is what it is, and it comes with 3 separate palettes in here and a little mascara, which I'm not going to use because I've got one of those anyways. But I'm going to do a bonfire night makeup look. I've already done my face, so I'll go through what I've got on my face, but I'm going to use these palettes to do the eye look, and then I'll do like something with my lips too. On my face I have got the Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse, the Bourjois Radiance Reveal Concealer, I've got the Gosh Prime and Set Finishing Powder, this little Rimmel palette in 003 Golden Bronze. I've got my Tanya Burr eyebrow kit on, and that's it. So yeah, that's everything. Woo. So yes, let's get into the palette. So this is the gingerbread cookie one. Oh, let's get rid of you, we don't need you. Smells good. It doesn't smell like gingerbread though, it just basically smells like chocolate. This is the colours. I'm thinking I can use these colours to do a fireworky kind of look. Eggnog latte. Gorgeous colours, so gorgeous. And peppermint mocha. Oh, this is more, I don't know if I'm going to end up using any of the colours out of this one because they're all kind of normal-ish. I just don't even know what to do. I want it to just be bright and like a bit vibrant and sparkly because fireworks are all sparkly in the sky. So what I thought I'd do, since it's the first impressions, I'm just gonna use some shadows out of all of them. I will have separate videos on each separate palette on its own. But I thought, because I need to do a bonfire night, because it's bonfire night tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get this video up tonight. And I needed to do an eye look, and I thought I'd try these out. So let's go for it. What shall we do first? I feel like I'm just gonna use glittery sparkly shades and see how that goes. So what I was thinking, that one's, even though it's like, that's really shimmery, maybe I oh, got it on my nose. I'm gonna try, this isn't glittery but it's very shimmery. I'm gonna try the iced coffee from the eggnog one as a transition shade, so basically all over. Oh, sugar. This might not have been the best choice for the first, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Now I've not put any tape on, but I think I'm gonna really try and blend it out. I'm gonna see how that goes, rather than have a sharp edge today. I'm gonna take this one here, which is like the sparkliest, glitteriest one, and it's called Cold Brew. Oh, it's really sparkly. Can you see how sparkly that is? That's crazy. Love it. That's how that's gone. So I really like this purple colour here, and I'm going to take that from the corner and then I'm going to use it underneath the eye. So that's really pretty and really glittery, but there's not much colour to it. So let's go into the peppermint one, and I'm going to get this purple from the peppermint one and I'm going to put that in the same place, and then I'm going to go over it again with a glittery one. This one's called Sprinkles. Oh, this smells so good. Back in the eggnog one, and back to that cold brew, and I'm going to bring that underneath at this corner. So with that purpley colour, where is it? This is hard using all 3 palettes. Back to the peppermint one. With that purple colour sprinkles, I'm just going to try and then blend it. Like so. So basically it's not just one colour above, one colour underneath. The colours kind of go from this side to this side. I feel like a nice light sparkly pop in the centre of the eye would be really nice. Ginger snap. Okay, so from the gingerbread one, I'm going to take this one here. This is ginger snap. In the pan it looks like a crazy metallic gold, so fingers crossed that is what it's going to look like when I put it on my eye. I'm getting glitter everywhere. Love it. So this is just to go in the centre, in between all the other colours. And that's what we've got so far. Wow, my face is covered in glitter. Eyeliner. I've got silver eyeliner, should we try that? So I've just used a silver eyeliner and then gone over it with a gold. This is LA Colours. This is actually really pigmented. Right, so that's it. I need to put some eyelashes on, and I don't really want to. Because I've got to go pick kids up after this. Let's just try it, because the look will not look right without. It's just not sticky, this stuff. I need some better glue, but... So I can't find my eyelash glue, which is really freaking annoying. So I'm just going to use some mascara. And I'm going to use the Max Factor Masterpiece High Volume and Definition Mascara. This is so annoying. Okay, so I've got 2 coats of that mascara on. I think it's quite a good mascara. I need to do an actual review on that because I like that, it's good. Right, okay, so now for the lips. It looks quite red. Okay, now because it's bonfire night, I thought fire orange, so I'm gonna use this. And this is a clean colour lipstick, and it's one of the Madeline matte lipsticks, and this colour is called Mai Tai, and I love this colour. I don't know what it's gonna look like now I've put that lipstick on though. Yeah, so that's, I need to get rid of this fly. What the f, seriously, you're gonna be in my phone.
Where's the fly spray, guys? Where's the fly spray?
I didn't really spray over this way. I hate flies, piss off. Right. Oh, I like that. So it's got like the darker red around and then the orange. And then I'm going to use, I've only just decided, but I'm going to use this LA Colours Jumbo Eye Pencil, the one that I used under my eye. I'm just going to see. Yay. Can you see that on camera? So there's like the gold in the middle, then the orange, and then just the red around the outside. And I kind of just thought, I didn't really know what to do, and I really wanted to do a bonfire video because I thought there's probably not going to be that many about, so something different. So yeah, have I finished? Is there anything I've missed out, guys? I might actually just put a little bit more highlight under my eyes now. I'm going to use the L'Oreal gold one because it's so pretty. And just a tiny bit right in the centre of that gold. And that's just made it pop a bit more. Love it. So this is my... It's not a very good first impressions because I didn't really talk about the colours that much. But the pigment is awesome, as you can see yourself. They feel beautiful and soft and buttery. And I just love them, and I just think they're so good. And the fact that you can split them up into 3 as well and have like 3 separate gifts if you wanted to is so cool. So the hair is looking horrible. I'm so tempted to try and do like red or orange or something for bonfire night, but then I'm kind of like, is that like a stupid idea? Because it's gonna last, it'll be in my hair then for ages, and I'm kind of a crazy person. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I really like this lip. Let me know if you like this lip, guys, because I really like it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the look. Leave me comments below, guys, because I love getting comments from you. Any thoughts that you've got on this look or on the product, if you've got the product yourself, anything else that you've used to get a similar look that you think is really good. I love to find out new products, so that would be awesome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. There is a giveaway going on at the moment, and I will link that below for you. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you'll be in the chance of winning a £50. I guess it's like a PayPal voucher, but it will just be transferred automatically, so it's as easy as that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy bonfire night, everyone!